This is the instructional video for how to play Feliz Navidad on the ukulele in the key of G. You can follow along right here. We're going to be going over all the chords in the chord view. So let's do that right now. So the chords you need for this song, it's in the key of G. So you're obviously going to need G. It's also, it relates to the key of C. Oh, thank goodness. So you need the C chord. You're also going to need A minor, which is one of our favorite easy chords. D7, which you can do. I usually do the easy D7 like this, or you can do the, however you want to play. You can do the bar chord D7. And then aside from that, really all you need is E minor, which, darn it, I thought it was going to be easy. It's not too bad, you guys. You know, some of you just need to look down there and figure that out. Find out how to get the E minor. But let's look at how to do the chord sequence. The main sequence of the song starts on A minor, starts on the 2 chord. So we're going to play A minor, da dee 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 dee, and then D7. Isn't that easy? Don't we love that? So it starts on A minor, Feliz Navidad, and then D7, Feliz Navidad, G, E minor. So that's a little tricky. I know. It'll be okay. Feliz Navidad, sí, prospero año y felicidad. So that is basically the main part of the Spanish word part of the song. So let's go over it again. 2, 1, 2. It actually starts sooner than that, you guys. 1, 2, Feliz Navidad. D7, Feliz Navidad, G, E minor, Feliz Navidad, C, D7, and G. Let's go. Feliz Navidad, A minor, D7, and G, E minor, and C. Wish you a C chord, D7 and a G chord, C, D7 and G. Okay, so not too bad. It's just got the 2 parts. What I would recommend is just keep going over that cadence of C, D7, and G. That's 4, 5, 1. And also A minor, D7, G. That's 2, 5, 1. And they both work the same way pretty much. The E minor is our 6 chords, our minor chord. That is going to be the biggest challenge for many of you. It's okay. It's a growth opportunity. So work on that. And if you'd like to download the music I was just showing you on the screen, you can do that here. Patreon.com/Kalani. There's also a play-along track, and there's another play-along video. If it's during the holidays and you'd like to participate in our ukulele holiday challenge, maybe win an ukulele, you can do that by clicking the link below. Make sure you subscribe, of course, before you click away. I do appreciate all the participation. If you have helpful tips and comments, leave them below. If you'd like to contact me directly, you can do that through our Patreon site or through kalanimusic.com. There's an email form there, and you can do that there. But please, have fun with this song. It's just such a popular song. Everybody knows it. Super happy. I use it all the time. So I hope you can too. So good luck with that. Participate in the holiday challenge, you guys. Do it. What do you have to lose? And at the very least, you're going to learn so many great holiday songs. So go out, play some music, make some people happy, brighten up their day. I'll see you soon.